Is your laptop hot enough to fry an egg on it? Don't worry, you're not alone, and I'm here to help you cool things down. An overheating laptop isn't just uncomfortable. It can seriously damage its internal components and slow it down to a crawl. Let's dive into what might be causing this and how you can fix it. First up, let's talk about the physical stuff. Hardware. The #1 enemy of a cool laptop is dust. Over time, dust and lint clog up the air vents and suffocate the cooling fan. This traps heat inside, turning your laptop into a little oven. The fix is simple, but requires care. First, power down your laptop and unplug it. Then, grab a can of compressed air. Holding it upright, spray short bursts into the vents to blow out the dust. Never shake the can or spray with it upside down. For a deeper clean, if you're comfortable, you can open the back panel. Just be sure to check your manufacturer's guide first. Locate the fan. Hold it gently in place with a finger so it doesn't spin too fast, and carefully blow the dust away. While you're in there, make sure the fan actually spins freely. If it's stuck or makes a grinding noise, it might need to be replaced. Another big hardware culprit is old, dried-up thermal paste. This is the stuff that sits between your processor and the heatsink, helping transfer heat away. After a few years, it can become crusty and ineffective. Replacing it is a more advanced fix, so if you're not confident, it's best to take it to a professional. But if you're up for the challenge, it can make a world of difference. Now, let's look at software issues, which are often easier to fix. Your laptop might be overheating because something is making your processor work overtime. Let's check what's hogging all the resources. On Windows, open the Task Manager by pressing Control, Shift, and Escape. On a Mac, open the Activity Monitor from your Utilities folder. Go to the CPU tab and sort by percentage. Do you see any apps using a surprisingly high amount of your CPU, even when you're not actively using them? It could be a rogue background process, too many browser tabs open, or even malware. Try closing these high-usage apps. If you don't recognize something, a quick Google search can tell you if it's safe to end the process. Keeping your system and drivers updated is also crucial. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can reduce system load. Next, let's tweak some settings for better thermal performance. Both Windows and macOS have power management settings. While high performance mode can give you a speed boost, it also generates more heat. Try switching to a balanced or power saver mode, especially for everyday tasks. This tells your computer to be a bit more conservative with its energy use, which means less heat. You can find this in the power options in the Windows control panel or energy saver in system preferences on a Mac. So, how do you prevent your laptop from turning into a furnace in the first place? It's all about good habits. First, airflow is everything. Never, ever use your laptop on a soft surface like a bed, a pillow, or your lap for long periods. These materials block the air vents and trap heat. Always use it on a hard, flat surface like a desk or a table. If you want to go the extra mile, a laptop stand can significantly improve airflow underneath. Some even come with built-in cooling fans for an extra boost. And of course, make it a habit to clean out the vents with compressed air every few months. Regular software maintenance helps too. Periodically check for unnecessary startup programs and disable them. Run antivirus and anti-malware scans to ensure no hidden processes are secretly draining your resources. Keep your operating system, drivers, and main applications updated to their latest versions. To recap, start with the easy stuff. Clean your vents, check for resource-hungry software, and use your laptop on a hard surface. If the problem persists, you might need to look into a deeper clean, replacing the thermal paste, or checking for a faulty fan. By following these steps, you can get your laptop's temperature back under control, making it run faster, quieter, and last a whole lot longer. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. Stay cool.